Alright, now that the lava gun has been upgraded to a meteor gun, next up to upgrade is the mini turret glove, but we'll worry about that later.
Nice finish on that chrome. You buffed this out yourself?
I handle my own buffing, sir.
Oh, sorry, little man. I thought you was a crankshaft. Can't see my own hand in front of my face without these.
No problem. So, how do I enter the big race?
Well, you got the helmet, you're in. Easy peasy. The prize this time is some kind of special boots. I could use those myself. They'd go real nice with my leather chaps.
I think I know what boots he's talking about, and I really, really want those. So, winning the infiltrator, as the device is apparently called, oh. So I have to enter the cage match to win it. Okay. Single turret active. What does that mean? This is a pretty cool racetrack. Oh, is that what it means by single turret? That? Kind of like Mario Kart. Ow! Ow! Restart. Why do I keep missing every pickup?
boots myself. But they'll look real nice with your outfit. You can race again, you know. Now the prize is a bunch of bolts.
To activate the charge boots, double tap and hold R1.
So, you know that desert on planet Tabora? That's like very wide and vast? This baby is gonna help traverse that with ease. So, it's definitely a worthy prize. The charge boots are fucking fantastic and I love it. So now, we're gonna go ahead and go for the infiltrator. All right. Cage match for the infiltrator. Do do do. I find this to be very cool. Spooterbot! Oh, there's meteors coming all around at random. All right. Does that hurt? No, it just stopped me.
Use the left analog stick to pick a path for the green circuit. Connect the circuit back to the start to open the lock.
Oh yeah, I remember this. I've always loved those kind of puzzles. Like, sometimes they can be hard, but they're really fun to... Huh. They can be really hard, but they're really fun to do. There's another place where we can use this. Now, yeah, there's one other place as of right now that I can think to go use this. Also of note, is I could actually get the skill point for going through Endako now that I have the box breaker and breaking everything. Wow, it even breaks the things in the sky. Back off, good sir. Yeah, I'm definitely not going the right way, but you know, it's whatever. This is so satisfying. Now, when it says every breakable, I don't think it's also including the crates. Because, you know, those crates are everywhere. I honestly do love that they thought of this. Jak and Daxter. I honestly love it when Insomniac games includes little references like this. They're one of the best companies I know. Oh god. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Ah! You little robot guy startled me. Ow! Little fucking punk. That is a powerful wrench. Like, think about it. This wrench is so insanely powerful, it takes out the laser bots in one hit now. You're my precious little turrets. And now for our infiltrator puzzle. Oh, okay, I see. It's gonna be like very complicated. Darn it. Aha! Definitely worth a nanotech boost. Every little boost matters. I wouldn't recommend trying to do a shootout with me, good sir. I like that pizza ship down there. I like how if I walk forward, hey! Ooh! I think that's because I got enough skill points. snazzy. But I like my other outfit better. It feels more Ratchet. Now then, where else is it that we have to go? I'm very confused. Although what I... No, I can't. Wait. I think there actually is something I can do back on Tavora. And it's not the crystals, but something else. I think by explore the area, it doesn't mean explore getting all the crystals, but there's a part of the planet that I actually didn't explore. Right around here. I should probably, refill on ammo. Definitely something around here. I think I know how this works. I think it also works the other way because, yeah, right over there. I figured it worked both ways. See, when you're so in love with a game series like this, there's a lot you can remember about it. And this Platinum Bolt is one of the things, because the moment I saw the seesaw, I was like, I bet this thing works both ways. Whoa, what the fuck? That would... Oh, that's weird. And presto! Now, as much as I do remember some of the platinum bolts, I can't remember exactly what's around here. I'm hoping it's coordinates to a new planet. Or maybe it's something to help on planet JOBA. Because we need a glider. I'm just not sure where we would get one. Oh, I see. I think that's cool that they actually managed to freeze upwards too. Because the water is coming down, but it freezes the water upwards. Clever. Hello? Oh crap. Please make it, please make it, please make it. Oh my god. Perfect. The glider. Hello? Did it. Oh, that's actually really cool. I don't even wear it like a normal hang glider. I wear it like I ride on it like I ride on a boogie board. Does anyone remember boogie boards and riding on them at the beach? I actually used to be a fan of going into the water, but seeing as it's possible for a jellyfish to like wind up. I want that. Seeing as it's possible for a jellyfish to end up like washing up along the shore, it can be dangerous. Which actually reminds me, I think a day before my birthday, when I was taken out for a trip to see all these Venus flytraps and going down to the rocky shore, water shore, my stepdad, my mom, and I actually found 2 jellyfish washed up when the tide was low. They probably floated over there when the tide was high, but got stranded. And apparently they still looked very squishy and moist, which they were probably still alive, or maybe they were just dead but wet. But it was interesting. I mean, I didn't touch it because Lord knows if it was gonna sting one of us. All right, we're at the we're past the 30-minute mark, but we're already at planet JOBA, and I don't think it's gonna take very long to glide to the other side to get coordinates for a new planet. Also, I'm curious, real quick. First off, let's take care of these guys. How much EXP do I get if I take you guys out? I don't think it's a lot. Oh well. Now, you might have seen that, that nanotech boost. Now, in order to grab it, I need to make a very tight and dangerous U-turn. And it involves I'm pretty sure it involves this room right here. Because I need to turn around and start gliding. I at least want to grab this first before following the maintenance guy. Because it's not all that hard to grab. The hard part is actually turning around. I think what I need to do is properly like turn enough so I can actually start gliding again instead of completely stalling the whole time. Grab it. Grab it. Yeah, see, I like automatically kind of like launch. So I really can't just make a U-turn in this room. It has to be in this one. Which can make it kind of dangerous because of that. You know what? Until next time, everyone, I'll just pick up on this when I can actually grab it.